Hello, everybody. Good to see you all. Welcome back to another video. I want to tell you a bit of a story. I've got a friend and his name is Tony. He asked me not to say his name backwards for some reason. And I said, why not? I'll let that kick in for a bit. Okay, speaking of saying something backwards or doing something backwards, let me show you something that took me a while. It took me a while to write this down, but I finally got there. Um, Today, we're going to actually learn how to work backwards. Now, we know how to find the circumference when we have the diameter or the radius, but let's see if we can actually work the other way around this time. So we're going to be given we're going to be given the radius, but we're going to try find the diameter, or we're going to be given the circumference. There we go. We're going to be given the circumference, but we're going to try work backwards. So just remember, if you're using the diameter, just remember that your formula is your circumference is given by pi times diameter. And if you're working with radius, it's 2 times your pi times your radius. So just remember that those are your formulas when we're dealing with circumference. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to rearrange them a little bit. If I'm just looking for diameter, it's actually going to be my circumference over or divided by my pi. Right? And if it's radius, it's going to be my circumference divided by 2 pi. So see how they're kind of quite similar? I'll get you to write these ones down. Look, these are helpful, but it's not as helpful as realizing how we rearrange them. So what we did was from here to here, all we did was we just divided both sides by pi. All right, divide by pi, divide by pi. And here, what we did here was divide by 2 pi, divide by 2 pi, just to rearrange to get whatever we want. So if we want radius, I'm rearranging to get r. If I want diameter, I'm rearranging to get d, but let's not stress on that too much. Let's focus on the questions that they might give you. Okay. So we see here that a circle has a circumference of 10 centimeters. Find its diameter and find its radius. Okay. So if I want to find its diameter, I've got this nice little formula here. Now I know its diameter is going to be the circumference over pi. And in this case, do I know what the circumference is? Yeah, they've told me that the circumference is 10 centimeters. So I'm going to put 10 instead of C on top. And then pi is just pi on my calculator. So if I do that, and if I go 10 divided by pi, if you guys don't have a calculator, it's the same thing as 10 divided by pi. And that's going to give you, to one decimal place, 3.2 centimeters. Okay. Now, if I was to go for my radius, now what do I know relates with my radius? Well, if I know my diameter is 3.2, my radius must be kind of half of that. So what's half of 3.2? It'll be 1.6. Okay. Or alternatively, you can use the formula, but I wouldn't recommend it. So that's what I would be doing here. So hopefully that keeps this video nice and short. And hopefully that teaches you how to work backwards to kind of find your radius or your diameter. Okay. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.